Hello, my name is Lee. Today we're going to unbox the SMG and the SMM articulated arm and microscope. We have our instructions. And let's begin. And now we can look at all the pieces we have. This is the protection shield and the manual to attach that. Here we have the handpiece holder, we have the eye cups, we have the adjustment ring, we have a wrench, an Allen key. This here is our base plate. This is our main rod. This is the rod for the headrest. This is the headrest, and we also get a spare pad for the headrest. Let's begin the assembly. Let's assemble the base plate with the main rod. Here we use the main screw. And we tighten with the Allen key. This has screw holes so that we can now screw it to a bench. However, for demonstration purposes, we're just going to clamp it in place on our table. And now we attach the adjustment ring. And now we attach the microscope. We loosen this. We can now tighten this up. Move our microscope into position and tighten. If you've ordered the SMM microscope, this has the magnet already attached, but is exactly the same as this one. And now we attach our rod. Firstly, we remove the black bung. We slide this on and we use the wing nut to hold this in place. And then we attach the headrest. And now we can attach the handpiece holder. Tighten this up. And now we can replace our little cap. And now we attach the eye caps. And we can attach the power cable to the machine. This plugs into the rear of the machine, which is indicated by the eye symbol. We screw this in securely before powering the machine on. We can now place our handpiece in position and we're ready to focus the microscope. We can focus our handpiece by adjusting a handpiece holder to a rough position, and then we've got fine adjustment here. Once our right eye is in focus, there's a separate focus for our left eye, and now both eyes are perfectly in focus and we're ready to test the shutter. In the settings menu, we can select settings, the eye shutter, which is the eye symbol. We press select, we check the shutter's closed, we press it again and the shutter should be open, and it is. And now we come out of this menu, back to the home menu, and we're ready to use the machine. I hope you found the video to setting up the microscope helpful. For more information on Lampert Precision Welding, you can click on the links below.